Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to add PDF tickets to your Apple Wallet directly from an email. This feature is a game changer, especially with the 2025 updates that make it even smoother for events, flights, and more. Whether you're heading to a concert or catching a flight, having your tickets in Apple Wallet means quick access with just a tap. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed on your iPhone. That's key for the 2025 enhancements. Start by opening your email app and locating the email with your PDF ticket attachment. It could be from an airline, event organizer, or ticket service. Once you find it, tap on the attachment to open the PDF. If it doesn't open automatically, go ahead and download it first. Now, with the PDF open, look for the share icon. It's usually a square with an arrow pointing up. Tap that, and you'll see a menu of options. Scroll through until you spot Add to Apple Wallet. Yes, that's the one. Select it, and your iPhone will process the ticket. You might see a preview at this point, so double-check the details like the event date, time, and barcode to ensure everything looks correct. If everything checks out, tap Add to confirm. Apple Wallet will handle the rest, securely storing your ticket for easy access. One quick tip: if the option doesn't appear, ensure the PDF is in a compatible format. 2025 updates have made this more flexible, but sometimes you might need to update your apps or check for any errors in the file. And just like that, you're all set. Head over to your Wallet app to see your new ticket. It's that simple and will save you so much hassle. If you run into any issues, double-check your iOS settings or reach out to the ticket provider. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. What's your favorite Apple Wallet feature? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.